Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm diving into something truly impressive in a tiny package. The Gigabyte GB Brew 5225H Mini PC. First off, don't let the size fool you. This mini PC is a powerhouse driven by Intel's 14-core Core Ultra 5225H processor. Yeah, you heard that right, 14 cores. It's got the muscle to handle anything from heavy multitasking to intense workloads. One of the standout features here is the AI-driven Neural Processing Unit, or NPU. This little genius enhances everything from AI applications to real-time data processing. Whether you're into machine learning or predictive analytics, this NPU's got you covered. Now let's talk memory. You can load this beast up with up to 96 GB of DDR5 RAM. That's right, 96 GB. Say goodbye to bottlenecks and hello to seamless performance. Storage-wise, it's got triple M2 slots. That means you can mix and match your SSDs for insane speeds and massive storage capacity. Perfect for video editing, gaming, or just hoarding files. Connectivity is key, and the GB Brew 5225H doesn't disappoint. With Thunderbolt 4, HDMI 2.1, and 2.5 GB LAN, you've got all the ports you need for ultra-fast data transfer and super smooth 4K video output. Gaming, streaming, or professional work, this mini PC's got the versatility to handle it all. All of this power comes in a compact design that's Visa mountable. You can easily attach it behind your monitor or under your desk to keep your workspace clean and clutter-free. It's sleek, it's efficient, and it's downright cool. So, who's this for? Creators, professionals, power users. If you need a compact but powerful setup, the Gigabyte GB Brew 5225H is your new best friend. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, hit that thumbs up, subscribe for more tech content, and let me know in the comments what you think about this mighty mini PC. Catch you in the next one.